Subscribe to Parnaz Creation and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Parnaz Creation. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am bringing a new card design. This is called the heart-shaped card design. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Parnaz Creation. Hope you all are doing great. Making a beautiful heart-shaped card. For this I have taken a cardstock paper measuring 50 into 50 centimeter and the square is 6 into 6 centimeter. You can make this card according to your own ways. I am making by measuring the square. As you can see, it is an easy way. The length and breadth of this will be 9 by 7. Now I am marking the marks where I am going to cut out the paper to shape it as a heart. You can see there is 4 into 4 cross sign. Now almost our crossing finish and you can see a heart-shaped card pop out from the black cardstock paper. Now using the scissor I will cut the edges. You can see the shape now. At last I will cut the last one of the piece of paper. Now at last we can see a beautiful heart shape card just pop out from the cardstock paper. Now we will fold the paper like this. We will fold and bend the paper using the help of a small scissor. Now fold the edges of the paper, or you can say the hearts. By this we can see we have formed a small rectangular shape here. Now it's time to paste some picture on it. I am pasting this picture. You can paste any other picture or a designer paper. Now I will paste the picture with the help of glue. The size of the picture is 6 into 6 centimeter. Now rest of the picture I will paste it later on. For the middle one I will paste a small heart, so that I have taken a foam sheet, glitter foam sheet, and now I will draw a small heart on it and then cut out the heart using a scissor. Now I will put the small heart on the middle of the heart-shaped card. Finally, I pasted the overall picture and you can see how beautiful is it looking. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now I will fold the card to make a small square. As I have shown earlier, we will fold it like a small rectangle. After making a small rectangle, I will show you the next process. After making a small rectangle, now we will fold the side of an edge and now fold it like a square shape. Now on the top of the paper I will put some designer paper. The measurement is 20 to 20 centimeter and I will paste it by using some Fevicol glue. Now finally our heart-shaped card is ready and now I am going to open the card. As you can see, the beautiful heart-shaped card. You like my video, give a like, share with your friends and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.